Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Clark Jason R. Nazareno. You can call me CJ or Clark for short. The first picture is me when I was young. The second picture is me when I graduated from senior high school. And the last picture is me now. I am 19 years old and turning 20 at October 22. I born and living in San Juan, Kalayaan, Laguna. Things I like eating, I like playing basketball, and I like listening music. My hobbies, I love playing basketball, online games, and cooking. My dream is to become a seaman someday and have my own business like coffee shops and restaurants. I choose to study hospitality management because I want to become a seaman and to gain more knowledge about the hospitality industry. Also, I like to serve the people. Thank you everyone for listening. Have a nice day.